Hey everyone, in this video, let's talk about how you can fix the Duolingo app from looking weird. In order to do so, here we are on Android, and as you can see, the Duolingo app right now looks cracked and broken. You might also see the Duolingo app looking sick. The bird has snot coming out of his mouth, his eyes look like they're tearing up, and this is some indication that something's going on. Well, what is it? Basically, what it is they're trying to encourage you to open the app and complete at least one lesson. So this is essentially what you have to do. If you haven't gone through the initial setup process, then you're going to have to go through and at least complete one lesson. And then once you do, it might take some time, but you should see the icon
Oh,
change at some point. So this is basically how you can fix the Duolingo app from looking weird. And that's all there is to it. If you found this video helpful, please leave a comment and like and subscribe for more helpful tips.